In automotive manufacturing applications, the ability to continuously operate can make or break deadlines and quotas at production plants. This GalcoTV Tech Tip covers how contactors are a critical component that serve as an electrical switch in automotive manufacturing applications. Contactors enable remote control and automation of machinery. This means that operators can start or stop equipment from a control room or a safe distance, reducing the time and effort required for manual intervention. Overloading a motor can lead to overheating and damage. Contactors are often equipped with overload protection devices that automatically disconnect power in case of an overload, preventing motor damage and downtime. Contactors are built to withstand heavy use and offer high reliability. This ensures that electrical connections remain stable and secure, minimizing the risk of electrical faults that could lead to unplanned downtime. In case of an emergency, contactors can quickly cut power to equipment, preventing accidents and minimizing potential damage. This immediate response helps maintain safety and reduce the duration of downtime. In the fiercely competitive world of automotive manufacturing, downtime is a formidable adversary. However, contactors are invaluable allies in the battle against disruptions. These components provide early warnings, reduce mechanical stress, and ensure reliable electrical connections, all of which are essential for maintaining continuous production and maximizing your uptime. That is why Galco continues to stock, support, and supply the automotive manufacturing industry with the highest quality product solutions to fight against downtime. You can learn more by visiting us at galco.com.